Documentation rebuilt around the reader. The docs are now organized around you, not around the product. Each role gets its own track, in its own language at the depth its work needs. So you stop translating a shared feature dump into your own role. Business, architects, operators, developers, compliance and security, and the API reference. 6 tracks, 1 per role. You go to yours and read pages written for your work. Every system carries one canonical name. The name you read in a guide is the name in the console and the name on the contract. One vocabulary, no code name to decode. The API and error reference generate from the running platform on every build. A drift check fails the build if the page and the platform ever disagree. So look up an error and it carries the same message cause and fix the platform put on the wire. The reference is the live surface, not a memory of it. Less translation, more answers, 6 tracks, 1 vocabulary, 0 drift. Go to your track. Read pages written for your role. Start your journey on SettleMint.com.